x and y, which satisfy this equation, this and this. In other words, we are now asked to solve this equation simultaneously. So let's begin like this. So you have 3x squared plus 2y equals to 7. We call this one equation 1. And also 2x plus y equals to 4. Label it equation 2. So you solve them simultaneously. But this one, look at equation 1, equation 2 is not that complex. So for equation 2, the value of y will equals to 4 minus 2x equal equation 3. We have problem here because we have x instead y. Don't worry, we'll now put this for y in equation 1 and see what it will become. So now it will become 3x squared plus 2 into y, this y, 4 minus 2x equals to 7. So 3x squared plus 8 minus 4x equals to 7. So you rearrange the equation now, it will become, look at it, 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 will equal to 0. This is the equation we are going to solve. So you now think of two numbers in which when you add, you give you minus 4. And when you multiply them, it will give you 3 because the constant here is 3. The numbers here are minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 3 times minus 1 is 3. So these are the factors here. So you replace minus 4x with that. So you have 3x squared minus 3x minus x plus 1 equals to 0. So you bracket them, 3x squared minus 3x in bracket, you now add with minus x plus 1 equals to 0. So this one you have 3x into x minus 1 and minus 1 into x minus 1 equals to 0. So from here, 3x minus 1 into x minus 1 equals to 0. So after doing everything here, you know that from here x will be equals to 1 over 3, or x will be equals to 1. We are putting our x here. So when x equals to 1 over 3, then our y now will be equals to 4 minus 2 times 1 over 3. Remember this, and it will give us 10 over 3. And when x equals to 1, so our y will be equals to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 4 times 2 because times 1, and it gives us 2. So when x is 1, y is 2. So we are not getting our solutions now. Then put the final answer here. Sorry. So when x is equals to 1 over 3, what is our y? 10 over 3. And when x is equals to 1, y is 2. So these are the answer that we are looking for. Wow, the question is not that hard. Just keep on doing it step by step. Follow the right algorithm